Let's look at the dialogue again. And I think when he's wobbling like a drunken astronaut, we could add in some more of the sound effects where his sword is going all over the place. Let's copy this, right click on it, copy it, and let's find that scene where the red character is wobbling around. We can't do a right click and paste here. So do a Command V. Command V pastes. So whenever the sword goes back and hits green screen area, that's where I want to put the sound effect. So he's going to hit it right here again. And this is when we have to make more layers underneath. I'm going to drag this horizontal line up. I want another track down here. Let's right click on this bottom track and click on Add Track. Now we can do an Option drag to duplicate. And the sword is hitting about here, so we want to put that sound effect right about there. He hits it like right about here again. Let's do an Option drag on this one to about here. Let's see if there's any more. He hits it back here again. Let's do an Option drag on this one. And this is what that looks like and sounds like.
Immersion? Dude, your elbow joint's loose. You're wobbling like a drunken astronaut.
My suit has slight malfunction. Now, prepare to meet your doom!
I can't work like this.
Cut!
Good call, director. It must be.
Now, while listening to the test footage, I noticed that the music stopped too soon, and I forgot to fix that part. But the sound effect looks and sounds great. We can hear the dialogue and we can hear the music. All the levels are sounding great. Select the music and drag it to the right and have it stop right after the director says cut. So that's how you mix the audio, the music, and the sound effects all together so you can hear everything.